Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we are going into end of October, and October could be green, could be ending green. So that's awesome. Then we can call it October. So my name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and invest according to your research and your financial conditions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes, and let's go and dive deep in our favorite bubble chart. So yes, and you see Doge is correcting after making double top. Shiba and the other meme coin is correcting, and also Clay, Mina did a huge rally, and that is why they are correcting. But now we see Chiliz and Sand, Algorand, Quant pumping. Bitcoin is down almost 1%, and Ethereum is down 2.6%. But Binance coin is at $315 and Binance coin looks pretty awesome because we see a lot of greenness here, but in a year that we have 43% loss. So guys, let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 34. So just like yesterday, we are getting back in the fear zone. So leaving the extreme fear zone and entering just the fear zone. So that signals that we have some. So as the investors are still in fear, but we see some signs that sometimes they are more likely to entering and coming back into crypto. So let's go and check out our next news, that BTC price struggles at $21,000 as trader says top is in for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So trader avoids new longs below $21,000, not entering any new long position and just trailing my stops in profits in altcoins. So altcoins can still pump from here, but Bitcoin and Ethereum might topping out. I will fully take profit soon. So this is Crypto Capo, and also Mark Cullen voiced similar cautions over the short-term market strength. Spent a bit too long under 21,000 for my liking, while alts Ethereum is particular have run, but break the golden zone and I would consider a quick push higher first. Lose 20,400 and I start to question everything. Okay, so this is the chart, and you see 20,400. Then if dipping lower, then we can go lower from here, but if 20,400 will hold, then we can see more bullishness. But don't forget that on 2nd of November there will be a Fed meeting, and they will raise interest rates, and depending on how much they will raise, the market will react. October on track for sideways 7% gains. So if the sentiment will not turn bearish tomorrow, then we can close October with a nice juicy 7% gains. And as you see, October used to be a good month in Bitcoin. So guys, let's go and check out our next news, that BNB jumps to new BTC all-time high as Elon Musk Twitter fuels Doge bulls. So BNB is at all-time high in BTC pair, so not in the USD pair. Okay, so BNB sets new record against BTC because Binance had contributed $500 million to Musk's takeover of the social media platform, and maybe this is because that also Binance coin will have some rule or major rule in Twitter rumored wallet. Our intern says we wired the 500 million 2 days ago, probably just as I was being asked about Elon Twitter Binance CEO Champagne wrote in a cryptic tweet referring comments he made to crypto media outlet Decrypt. Let's unleash the bird. Yes. Dogecoin copies itself as it turns to April highs. Okay, another all-time high is complete silence as the Dogecoin longer reduce. They wrote about the BNB adding, imagine the smell when launchpads become a thing again and retail is back to turbo buying garbage on BSC. Are you actually feeding the token that backs the biggest exchange and the most degenerate EVM chain by far? Okay, so this is the Dogecoin price from Stock Money Lizards, and you see after this bull flags consolidation, a huge breakout, and I think there is on a short-term time frame there is maybe a consolidation coming, but this breakout should be something that we should pay attention as we see this continuation after that. So let's go and check out our next news, and this is the Bitcoin BNB chart. I like it. So BNB is at all-time high. So quant analyst Plan B says major bottom signal flashing for Bitcoin as BTC aims for $21,000 levels. Okay, so Plan B saying that more bottom signals. 60% of all Bitcoins is in profit. So more than 60% of all Bitcoin is in profit. So this is signaling the percentage of BTC in profit, and we have when these blue and green-blue colors, then it's under 60. Bitcoin RSI will not stay low forever. So the Bitcoin relative strength index is at these low levels, just like in previous bear markets. So throughout the capitulation in early 2022, the accumulation trend score indicates significant accumulation by large entities has taken place, as well as the seizure of the recent bear market rally to 24,500 for exit liquidity. At present, these metrics suggest an equilibrium neutral structure in the market, which remain similar to early 2019 Bitcoin accumulation trend score 7-day moving average. So when we are in this orange zone, this and the yellow zone, these are the distribution periods, and the blue is the accumulation period. So guys, let's go and check out our next news. Analytics firms details where Bitcoin whales are invested, list one crypto sector that will foreshadow BTC rally. And what's this? One thing that was giving traders hope was the fact that large stablecoin market caps were growing through May of this year. But when Federal Open Market Committee interest rates hikes and recession scares began to really take hold of investors' speculative decisions, it became much harder for large holders to justify keeping such a large amount of dollar-backed crypto on the sidelines. The very likely implication is that these large institutions and whales are holding their money in US and world treasuries instead. Crypto is simple to unappealing to them for now, with so much uncertainty that has been going on throughout 2022. So Bitcoin whales have lowered their supply head over the past year. Stablecoin market caps dropped as well. So combined market cap of USDT lowered the levels last seen in December. So stablecoin levels lowered. So actually they might be going back into Bitcoin or crypto, or just went back in fiat USD. Bulls will want to watch and see whether the largest stablecoin begin to see increases in their market caps once again. If they do, Bitcoin and crypto prices can justify a rise even if whale supply of Bitcoin and Ethereum stay low. That's true. Next piece of news is Dogecoin price rallies 150% in 4 days, but Doge now must overbought since April 2021. Elon Musk boosts Dogecoin price again. You know that he's really supporting Dogecoin, and this is the Dogecoin whale transaction count 100,000 plus USD in Dogecoin. So you see Doge transactions just started to skyrocket a few days ago. Doge, the official currency of Twitter. Shiba Inu meme coins followed Doge. Also, that was a breakout, and other meme coins like Floki or whatever, they followed. The relative strength index, a momentum indicator determining the degree of recent price changes to analyze overbought or oversold levels, and this is overbought. So Dogecoin is overbought. Even if it broke out, then a consolidation, a retest is imminent, I think. Okay, Dogecoin could correct to 0.055 by the end of this year, down about 60% from current price levels if the fractal plays out as intended. So, guys, let me know in the comment section, do you think we should short Dogecoin, or what is your status on that? El Salvador opens a Bitcoin embassy in Switzerland. Okay, my fellow Salvadorans and I are very excited to the promise of Bitcoin, and I look forward to seeing how this initiative will help increase access to economic security and economic freedom for all. We commend the pioneers leading Lugano and El Salvador for launching this initiative, which promises to foster the exchange of best practices and ideas regarding the power of cryptocurrency, said Tether CTO Paulo Adonio, and he's also the CTO of the Bitfinex exchange. Next piece of news is Ripple claims more decentralization as XRP holdings drop to 50%. So guys, Ripple is a centralized company, and they are holding they were holding more than 50% of the total XRP supply. The XRP ledger uses federated Byzantine consensus to validate transactions, add new features, and secure the network, which means that each validator node gets one vote regardless on how much XRP they own. Ripple currently operates 4 out of 130 plus validator nodes on the XRP, so at least they are not the biggest node operator. Ripple token sales slowing. Ripple has continued to sell XRP only in connection with ODL transactions, and ODL volumes have ramped up as Ripple's ODL business expanding globally. ODL is what's ODL? Yeah, on-demand liquidity. In terms of next steps, in November, the SEC and Ripple will file reply briefs, and from there await the judge's decision of the motions they added. Yes, so when this lawsuit will ending, that will be good for XRP, whatever the decision is. Former Obama advisor bets his Porsche that Bitcoin will rally again to 60,000 US dollar. The ongoing crypto winter is not an issue for the Obama White House fixer, as he keeps purchasing Bitcoin. Messina is sure BTC price will head north. I'm incredibly bullish on this. I'm buying Bitcoin right now. I will bet you my Porsche Bitcoin gets back to 60,000 US dollar. But when? The big question is when, not if, but when. Michael Saylor thinks BTC will reach its all-time high in the next 4 years. I think much earlier, but we are okay with 4 years as well. So guys, let's go and check out our farms. Go to Uniswap and go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity in the liquidity pools, Ethereum CorionX or CorionX BNB, and go to our farms and lock up your LPs and earn up to 330% juicy APRs. So guys, let's go and check out the charts. So as you see, Bitcoin is looking like topping out here. So maybe a kind of double bottom, but maybe these double top, but this top is a little bit higher. So let's see if Bitcoin can establish higher highs, higher lows. If not, then we should see this 20,400, and if that will be broken, that next leg up will come here. So this is this horizontal support for now, and also we have some resistance zone at 21,000 US dollar. So guys, but Bitcoin just dipped, just went a little bit above 21,000 yesterday. So guys, let's go and check out what BNB is doing. So BNB is like a white horse. So BNB is traded around 350, and as we see, we gave a nice trading setup a few days ago and how to trade BNB, and that was a long setup. So I think when after this long setup, BNB rallied really well here. Okay, so guys, if I'm looking on this BNB daily chart, we see that we had this nice trade with a take profit zone at the previous highs, but as BNB just broke about these levels, that I think this is a W pattern, and this W has a price target. Let's see. So this W pattern has a price target around 330 US dollars. So it's too late to open a long, but I will consider opening short when we are reaching that zone. So guys, that's it for today. Smash those like, push the bell, notification on, and also let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLWestDenkler on Twitter, and also follow at Corion platform. And let's see, check this thread from Tech Dev. He's talking about this cycle wave 3 that will give much higher BTC prices, first in cycle 3 to 100,000, then back to 45,000 US dollar, and shooting up to 300 and 400,000 US dollar. So you can check this thread and also like and share. So Wyckoff pattern signals distribution and accumulation wealth. Let's see if the next Bitcoin level will be 300,000 or 14,000 US dollar. The next, let me know in the comment section. And this is the Wyckoff. This was the Wyckoff distribution, and this is the Wyckoff accumulation. So the top on the lower time frame can be closed at 20,000 for Bitcoin, adjusting stop loss and alts on alts. The best we can do for now. And also check this tweet from El Capo. Here are 3 unreleased layer 2s with potential to 20x and 100x. Next from Arbitrum, Starknet, and ZK Syncs. So layer 2s are these. The road to euphoria, what he predicts a kind of crash. Yeah, so Robert Kiyosaki telling us to buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin before the Fed pivot. Yeah, and Arbitrum airdrop, check out this thread, and also the bird is freed. So guys, that's all. Be sure go to our farm and provide some liquidity, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.